Good morning, students. In the previous video, we have completed the poem. The name of the poem, if you remember, was My First Visit to Ballet. So, students, in that poem, we have studied about two girls, one the narrator and the other is her friend. So, they both went to the ballet for the first time. They were very excited, but they lost their tickets, and because of that, they were not able to watch the ballet and they were so disappointed. So, students, let us take up the exercise now. Given below is the flow chart of sequence of events as explained in the poem. Complete the flow chart. The first and the last sentences have been done for you. So, there is a flow chart given for you. In this flow chart, all the events that had taken place in the poem, they are given. But they are incomplete. We are supposed to complete them. The girl in the poem went to see a ballet for the first time with her friend. We all know that. Then, tickets were handed to them in the clock room. The tickets were dash, special. As they sat still, dash and dash, the trumpets blared and the drums rumbled. So, as they sat still, wide eyed and breathless. Then, both the girls stumbled from their seats in fright. The girl could not enjoy and relish dash as she was busy dash. The girl could not enjoy and relish the ballet as she was busy in searching for her ticket. Both the girls slipped down to the floor to find ticket and found it lying on the floor. As soon as the ticket was found, the program too came to an end. Which program? The ballet. On the basis of your reading of the poem, complete the following. Initially, the girl was excited to enter the theatre, but the last part of the poem suggests that she had not enjoyed it at all. Fairies on the stage refers to beautiful dancers. The speaker kept looking for tickets. Now, students, solve this crossword puzzle with the help of the clues given below. So, there are some clues. The clues. So, firstly, they are across a kind of dancing that tells a story with music but no words. That is on number 4. Where is 4? Yes, that is ballet. Then, to make a long deep sound, that is number 5. That is rumble. To take a light short step, number 6, we have trip. Then number 7, a kind of country dance, that is, where is number 7? That is cotillion. Then number 8, to make a noise like a very long S. आवाज आई? S, like that. The sound made by a snake. Number 8, that is hiss, like that. Down, to make a loud unpleasant noise. So that is number 1, that is blare. Then we have number 2, out of breath. Then it is number 2 is breathless. Last one, I have left it for you. You are supposed to do it by your own. Now, students, B6. You must have heard and read about dance festivals held from time to time. When was the last time you went to a dance festival organized in school or in your town? So, students, if you remember any dance festival that you have enjoyed, whether that is in school, whether at your home, whether in your town, describe your experience in a few sentences and share it with the class. So, students, what are the things you are supposed to remember about that festival? When was it held? The month you must remember, that may be October, maybe any one, right? Where was it held? So the place in Chaugan ground or in DAV school Nahan senior wing. Okay. Then what was your experience? Have you felt happy? Okay. Have you enjoyed it? So that you will write. Whom did you go with? So who was your partner? To whom you have went there to enjoy? Then what did you see there? So what did you see means what kind of dances were there, how many participants were there, these things. Then you are going to fill those things here. Like the last time I went to a dance festival. Okay, went to a dance festival. Then you will write month. I went with your with whosoever you went. There I saw what you saw there. I watched, listened to music. You can write dances. You can write. I thought it was very nice. I enjoyed a lot, or I enjoyed. जो भी आपको ठीक लगे. Okay. Now students, listen to the audio CD titled Listen and Comprehend. After listening, answer the questions asked in the audio CD verbally. Listen to the tape script once and attempt the given question. The tape script is also given on page number 115. So we will take out page number 115. So this is the tape script, that is Heal the World. Okay. So students, heal the world. What I am going to do? Now I am going to read it for you. And you are supposed to close your books. Fine? Just listen to me carefully. Close your books. Child, let's begin. Heal the world. Child, think about the generations and say that we want to make it a better place for our children and our children's children, so that they know it's a better world for them. Now, I am beginning. There is a place in your heart, and I know that it is love. And this place could be much brighter than tomorrow. And if you really try, you will find there is no need to cry. In this place, you will feel there is no hurt or sorrow. There are ways to get there. If you care enough for the living, make a little space, make a better place. Heal the world, make it a better place for you and for me and the entire human race. There are people dying. If you care enough for the living, make a better place for you and for me. If you want to know why, there is love that cannot lie. Love is strong, it only cares of joyful giving. If we try, we shall see. In this bliss, we cannot feel fear or dread. We stop existing and start living. Then it feels that always loves enough for us growing. So make a better world, make a better world, make a better world. And the dream we were conceived in will reveal a joyful face, and the world we once believed in will shine again in grace. Then why do we keep strangling life, wound this earth, crucify its soul? Though it's plain to see this world is heavenly God's glow. We could fly so high. Let our spirits never die. In my heart, I feel you are all my brothers. Create a world with no fears. Together we cry happy tears. See the nations turn their swords into plowshares. We could really get there if you cared enough for the living. Make a little space to make a better place. Make a better place for you and for me. So students, this was all about your poem that is given in your tape script also. If you are willing, you can listen to the tape script also and answer the questions verbally. That is for your understanding only. That how you understand while listening, how much you are able to understand while listening. Okay students, now this one. Listen to a beautiful thought-provoking song by Michael Jackson. While you listen, complete the lines. Heal the world. So students, in your book there is a song given that is by Michael Jackson. So what you are supposed to do, this is just a little homework. देखिए necessary नहीं है. Just go through the poem. Okay, try to go through the poem and keep it in your mind that these are incomplete lines. Fine. Are you able to complete them by your own self or not? Okay, not a big problem, because in the next video we will do it. Okay, we will do it, but that is just for your time pass समझ लो अपना. ठीक है कि are you able to do it or not, and this is to be done by you. Okay, this is very easy, बहुत easy है, मैंने discuss कर दिया. And this last one also you are supposed to find out from the chapter. So students, this is all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day. Do your work in time.